when my party came into power in 2018, first thing I did was to reach out to India. And I told them, you know, our only issue is Kashmir. Let's sit down on the table and resolve it. Let's have a roadmap. But I didn't realize, you know, and remember, I'm the one who knows India better than anyone because
of course,
cricket is a passion, you know, in the subcontinent. And because of, you know, me being captain of cricket here and sort of playing over 10 years against India, I know India better than most people. So I immediately reached out. But then I discovered, to my horror, that this is not the India I used to know, because it's been taken over by this mad ideology. It's a racist ideology, which was inspired by the Nazis. The founding fathers were inspired by the Nazis. You can Google on your phone and you can, the founding fathers praised the Nazis, racial superiority. And you see, there's a negative nationalism, there's a positive nationalism. You must distinguish between the two. I can inspire my people by saying, look, you were a great nation, let's now get back again. But if I say you were a great nation, but because of these other human communities, you could not reach the top, so shift the hatred towards them, there is always bloodshed. Listen, I would love to debate with Narendra Modi on TV. But it would be so good for over 1 billion people on the subcontinent if we can resolve our differences through a debate.